Warm welcome to my channel. Well friends, in today's video we will be discussing about some of the IPOs that we are expecting to be coming in this month, that is July, which has already started. So we have just finished off with insecticides, the IPO, and probably some of you already have allocations as well. So before we proceed to this video, one thing definitely you need to apply in IPOs is your Demat account. So if you are interested in opening any Demat account online, I have given the link in the description. Just click on the link and you can easily open your account online. So let's quickly jump into the video and check what are the IPOs that are probable that can come in this month of July. It's not confirmed, but these are all expectation from the overall market that they can come up with their IPOs, because most of them have actually submitted their IPO applications. So the first one we are talking about is Zomato. This has been in discussion for a longer time now. The worth of this IPO is somewhere around 80 to 50 crores, 8,250 crores. That's what people are speculating. So this is going to be the massive IPOs among the all list. So I'm just showing you all the IPO candidates or probable candidates in a descending order, so you know what's the amount that you can expect out of these IPOs. So the second one we are talking about is Glenmark Life Science IPO. So this comes under the umbrella of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Already we have a share that trades in the stock market. So this IPO is probably could be somewhere around 1800 crores. Third one we are talking about is Clean Sciences. Again, this is something from the same sector as of Glenmark, that is the pharma sector. So this is the third IPO that we are expecting, and the price band could be somewhere around 1500 crores. The fourth one is Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So it's after SLB Small Finance Bank. It's like after a very long period of time we are seeing any banking company that is getting listed. So Utkarsh Small Finance Bank has already submitted the application, so it is also going to be the IPO that we can expect. So it's 1350 crores as of now. That's the IPO size. Next one, again from the diagnostics or pharma space, you can say it's Krishna Diagnostics. Mainly they do their business in Pune and eastern northern part of the country. The IPO size could be somewhere around 1200 crores. Next one is from the infra space, that is Shriram Properties. IPO size 800 crore. Another one from infra, that is Grill, that is also basically from GR Infra Limited. So that is also from infra space, that is also 800 crores. Next one is Rolex Rolled Rings. So somewhere similar to the business Sona Comstar and what's the name, Metallics, that we had actually got listed last month. I just forgot the name. So Sona Comstar and Shyam Metallics, right? So these are the two companies which were listed last month. So in the same business unit they have Rolex Rolled Rings. So this is also coming up with their IPO. They have submitted 600 crores could be the worth. Next one is again Windlass Biotech, that comes under the same biosciences, that's under which Clean House and Clean Science and Glenmark Life Sciences are getting listed. So it is not a very big IPO. It could be somewhere around 600 crores. Next one is Seven Islands Shipping Limited, that is from logistics space, and probably another one from pharma sector, that is Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Private Limited. So that is also going to be 500 crores. So these are all the IPOs that you can actually see them getting listed in July or maybe some months coming later. So IPO application is always good, because in a very short span of time you can actually make a decent money. So you always should keep some money reserved for applications in IPOs. Which IPO to apply, which to skip, we will be in a better position when we actually get the financials, because at this point of time we just know the names and we have the IPO size. Going forward we will have all the financial data, we will have all the the anchor investor list and stuffs like that. So I'll be making separate videos at that point of time when the listing information comes in. And so stay connected to the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to the channel so that any timely notifications you receive without any miss, and you don't miss out on any of the opportunities. Thank you so much for being with me, and do share this video, because this is an informational video. A lot of people will be helpful in this. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with something informational as soon as possible.